Absolutely beautiful area. It's one of those magical areas that you'll never forget. I'm going to camera on. You all did very well. This is absolutely beautiful place. I would love to have a little kitchen back here. No, I don't want him moving. He'll slide down in the water, and then let's try to do this without getting wet.
Yeah, that'll be awesome.
Why don't you look up at me, Abby, and say something? Abby, say it.
This bug's life.
I want you to watch your balance. Watch your footing. Look at me. Look into the camera. Look into the camera.